Happy boy. Can you guess where I'm at right now? I'll give you one hint. It comes with more power and lots of boost. We're at Magnuson Superchargers right now with our next giveaway rig, which you have to see to believe. This thing is called Thor. The hammer of Thor comes with it. You're not gonna see that yet, but check out our wide body 2026 TRD Tundra with the portal axles, 37-inch tires. You got a full 3-inch fender kit. This thing is wild, but we had to add a little bit more boost. Check out what's underneath the hood. Oh my God. That is the one thing about these Tundras. They never have enough power, which is why our friends at Magnuson put a full-on kit on this. And I need to bring in Noel from Magnuson. It took us a little while to get in. Had to ship this thing from Complete Customs out of Texas, who did the portals, the fenders, the bumpers, everything you see here, except for what's going on underneath the hood. Haven't driven it yet. This thing has 30 miles on it.
No, we got it with 15 miles on it. Now it's got 30 miles on it, which is absolutely crazy. Still plastic all over this thing. It's brand new. Complete Customs LLC did a great job with the wide body, the portals, all that stuff. Sean over there, it's funny, we set him up with the same package as well. So it's a full stage 6 package on this Tundra, which is like, obviously you can see the ginormous red thing in the middle of the engine bay. That's the charge air cooler right there. That keeps all your intake air temps extremely cool, giving you power for a longer period of time. On top of that, we had to give you that old school TRD Pro feel. So we did the intakes, we did the orange pipes here with the old school logo as well to just add a little bit of an extra touch. And then on top of that, we did our exhaust, which sounds absolutely amazing. That also is, you know, a high clearance exhaust. So for you avid off-roaders out there, which we do as well, you can actually take the end tips off, make it high clearance and never scrape on anything again. And then the one thing we didn't have time to install is a low temperature radiator, which is just an extra radiator we add to the front. Keep everything just twice as cool, if not more. And it is tuned now, which is like the best part of this whole truck. It really brings it all together. If you guys ever driven one, they're kind of like sluggish, like slow to like get up.
Especially when you put 37-inch tires on it. Given you got portal axles. For those of you who don't know what portals are, look it up. We did a whole video series about it. We went to 74 Weld, check them out. These guys do aerospace engineering on the side as a side hustle.
Yeah, I know.
And then they make racing portal axles. We put it on this Tundra, which is one of the first 26s I've ever seen with portals on it and 37-inch tires. So when you have 37s, your engine's gonna be working extra hard because each one of these tires are 120 pounds, give or take, maybe a little bit less, maybe like around 100 pounds. So that's additional weight that it needs to turn. And the portals are giving you a mechanical advantage, but the engine is still working overtime in order to get those around. So with the additional boost, not only are you going to have more power, you have more power for longer.
100%. And it'll actually spin the 37s now. Don't ask me how I know, but it'll spin the 37s now. So that's always a lot of fun.
Little burnout action, is that what you're saying?
More than a little.
Challenge extended.
So yeah, again, we appreciate you guys, you know, reaching out to us on this build. Absolutely beautiful. We're honored to be able to have our stage 6 kit on here. And
you know what's crazy? 2 years ago, you guys debuted this at SEMA, I think, right?
Yep.
So I remember seeing it, and I did it. It was in one of our SEMA videos. I was like, Magnuson, we're gonna talk. So it took,
Did you?
I swear, it took 2 years because I remember seeing a Magnuson logo, and I was like, the engine was closed. I was like, what's underneath the hood? And they opened it up and they had this probably like prototype. It was like the first one. It was like silver, unfinished. And I was like, what's that? What's that?
Yeah, I mean, everyone knows we've worked with, you know, Toyota for a very long time in the past. We did superchargers for them, TRD. You were able to go get a 4Runner or whatever you want from the dealer with a supercharger on it, which was amazing. And our heritage kind of, you know, really grew in that area. So we're like, we can't let the new vehicles go. We still have to support them somehow and support you guys and enthusiasts out there. So like, what can we do? Our engineering team got to work and they literally went and got the biggest core possible to fit there. That is literally the biggest one possible that'll fit there. And they made that work and they're like, all right, let's do intake, let's do all this other stuff. And we made it happen. And once you drive this thing, you're really gonna realize like, this thing moves for like, the way you guys built this, in my opinion, is like a Raptor killer. Yeah. That's what I would name it. I know everyone throws that name out there, Raptor killer, or TRX killer, whatever you want to put out there. but bang for your buck, how comfortable this thing is and everything else, like, can't beat it, man.
No.
So, I mean, good luck to, you know, you guys entering and everything, because, like, I'd want to win this truck.
Oh, so the reason why we're naming this Thor.
Thor, okay, that's a good name.
It's a good name because the hammer of Thor,
yeah.
the TRD hammer was just trademarked.
Yep, it was.
So like, all right, well, we're going to be a little bit in front of it.
Well, I mean,
we got it first. We got the first hammer right here.
You really do.
Right?
Like, when you look at it and everything that it's supposed to be doing, you really do.
Let's check out this exhaust.
Yeah, let's do it.
And then fire it up.
Yes, sir.
The portals look so good. Black Rhino wheels on there, you know, our faves.
ADD bumpers, Baja design lights.
We went with the ADD on the front and the back. I don't like the bumpers on the rear that completely cut everything off, especially with the wide body, so I just went with this one. If anyone hits you, they're gonna have a bad day.
Yes, 100%.
And look at those tips.
So we have the exhaust right there, our Magnuson exhaust. You know, we always push for quality, and this is one of those where we're not gonna just go and copy something else that's out on the market. So this is really where we kind of took a little bit of extra time. And then if you guys like walk over here, there's you can actually remove the tips right there. That one clamp, you do it and it just slides right off, and it takes that whole extension piece off. So if you're going off-roading, man, rock crawling, or you're just in the dunes, or honestly, you want a little bit of a different, more Baja look, unclamp that, throw it in the garage, put it in a corner, and we actually cut that at an angle so it still looks like, you know, an exhaust tip. It's not just, you know, a piece of pipe that's just sitting there.
Nice.
So yeah, it's...
And that's 2-inch piping or 3-inch?
I believe it's 3-inch, yeah.
Nice. It's great, dude.
Let it breathe, man. Let it breathe.
Let it breathe.
That's what we care about. All your extra stuff's all on back.
Yeah. You look here at the stock tips. I mean, the TRD tips, they have a good sound, but...
Yeah. They really do.
One's bigger than the other. That's all I got to say about that.
Yeah, exactly.
More airflow equals more power.
Yep. If you're going to make power up front, you got to get it out back. So, got to do both.
All right, let's fire it up. See how she sounds. That doesn't sound like a 6-cylinder.
Nope. Just wait till we warm it up and rev it.
Yeah.
Especially with the tune that's in it now. Wait till we hit rev limiter. It's like the best thing ever. It is literally the best thing ever. You have like no idea how amazing it is.
It smells like freedom. Dude, it's so weird. It feels like a TRX. Like you look in your side view mirror and the wide body, you're like, why does my butt look so big? Like, I love how the hybrid electric battery turns on and just...
It creeps me out. All right, let's get in this thing.
Oh, I love this.
And stay in the right lane, but...
37-inch tires, it sounds so good. Now the tones of the exhaust are great.
Yeah.
It sounds so good.
Our main concern is always making sure that the exhaust doesn't drone at any RPM inside. Yeah. There's a lot on the market that, you know, won't drone down low, but will drone, you know, up high. So like once you're going 75 miles an hour or whatever.
Yeah.
Let it be known that Carter just sprayed me with rocks. He's got a nice mouthful right there.
It's fun both.
That's wild. In a Tundra with 37s?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, yeah, I'm sold. If you have money, spend it on the upgraded turbos or the upgraded intake. So what is is the stage 6?
Yeah, so it's stage 6, so that is charge air cooler, intakes, tune, low temperature radiator, and exhaust.
Yeah.
You get everything, like absolutely everything we offer. And we offer a couple of other different packages for those that, you know, maybe they went out and already, you know, bought intakes or they already bought this. So we let them, you know, piece it together or buy it for whatever fits best for themselves.
Yeah.
So that's why, you know, a lot of people will say, oh, I have a stage 1, I have a stage 2, I have a stage 3. We didn't do that for that reason. We did it for the reason of the consumer that, I mean, guys sometimes like their TRD exhaust. They
Yeah.
don't need to buy the whole thing. So we separated everything for them to be able to purchase whatever they like.
Yeah, I will say, driving this, so and the stock Tundra, anytime you hit the gas, it takes a minute
Yeah.
for the turbos to kind of go in order to
Yep.
like get it. This is way more responsive.
Yeah.
I feel like I could access that power once I need it.
Yeah, and then also we left everything, all the modes alone.
Mm-hmm.
So all your modes that you have in this Tundra, you have sport mode, then you have, you know, snow mode and eco mode and all these other things.
Yeah.
Well, all those affect the response of the vehicle. So if you're driving it normal and you're like, you know, I want a little bit more response, I want my transmission to react a little quicker, then you put in sport mode.
Yeah.
And it all works exactly like factory. So it just lets you access it. And again, we want you guys to have the choice to do whatever you want to do, especially when you know, pay for a lot of these features.
Yeah.
So all to you guys.
Yeah.
You're going to hit limiter, hold limiter. It kind of sounds like two-step.
Yeah. I'm a happy boy. We got a little bit of rubber.
Well, you'll get a lot more on it.
That'll be fine. It'll come off.
But yeah, that concludes, you know, our part of the build. We're honored. Thank you guys. Good luck to whoever wins it out there. It's going to be an absolute riot, and you know, just do a bunch of burnouts and enjoy the truck and beat it up, because
One burnout done, maybe 2. We won't do any more, I promise.
maybe I'll
Carter
do one
guarantee.
before they leave. No, I'm just kidding.
No, thank you so much, man.
Of course, man.
You know the drill. If you want to get your own Stage 6 kit or anything else that Magnuson sells, go to magnusonsuperchargers.com.
Yes, sir.
This is going to be a good one.
It's going to be absolutely amazing.
Love it. Let's go.